We have an M.O.T failure here. This brake fluid pipe here is broken, so it's leaking brake fluid. So as you can see, I've already lifted the car up. The car belongs to a friend of my wife, so I'm going to attempt to remove this pipe. It's a very long pipe. It goes all the way to the front there. You know, these pipes, for some reason, the companies that make them, they make them to corrode and then they start to leak. So it's a very long pipe. It goes all the way there. So I'm going to try to take it out and see if we can find a new one and put it in here. Okay guys, it goes this way as well, all the way that way. So as you can see here, it's on the jack right now. This is a Hyundai, one of them small ones. What they call 1.1 GSI Getz. So we're removing the wheel to try to get to that pipe, and hopefully we'll get a new one. Okay. The wheel is out, so this is the pipe here. As you can see, it comes here, then it goes down into the caliper here. This is a very old car, so everything is rusty here. So we're gonna remove it from here and then remove this this clamp here that holds it to the body, and try to keep on taking it out all the way to the front. Okay, so I think this will be spanner 10. We just need WD-40 here and here, right? Now these pipes are one of those pipes that you have to be very careful when you remove the bolt or the nut, whatever they call this, because they are rusted, and if you round this, it's going to become a nightmare to get it out, an absolute nightmare. So you need to get the right spanner to get it out, or else it's a prescription for disaster. Okay, so here we are. Okay, and then I'm gonna get something to cover this, because I don't want rubbish to go in there, you know. I don't want all this mess to go in there. So just to be safe, just put a cloth on top of this, so that while I'm fidgeting with it, then no rubbish goes in there. Okay, so here we unclipped it. All I can do is try to force it this way, like that. Then we go underneath it. Underneath here is just on clips, guys. As you can see, I'm going underneath the car, so I've put that tire there with the slippers. These are the timbers that they used to use on the rail lines. So I put this in case this fails, then this will save me. Now some people, they always say, why don't you just get jack stands? The problem with me and jack stands is they can slip, and they slip, you go, and you're underneath, they fall, you're in serious trouble. Okay, so I'll just take it out and then I'll show you how it is. All right, as you can see, now we are at the other end of the pipe, so we have to remove that connector there where it joins in. So I've unclipped it all the way to the back there. So this is on the front. I don't know why this thing doesn't focus. So there are two pipes actually. So I had to ask my wife's friend to come press the brake so that I see which one is leaking. As you can see there's two pipes. So it is the one on the outside there. And again, these little nuts or bolts that connects the pipes, you have to be very careful. If you round them, especially when there's no space, there's not enough room like this, it's going to be an absolute nightmare to get there and remove it. Okay, so caution is needed. So I'm gonna just carry on and I will show you after I take off the pipe. a little mistake. As you can see, I've put back this pipe and I've put back this bracket that holds it. This is the wrong pipe, okay? The pipe, this one here, this one that I'm trying to remove, it goes all the way to that side, okay? So it is this one here. You will see it moving. Don't know if the camera can pick it, but it is. If you look at in there, you can see it's moving over there. There's a pipe I need to. So it goes to the other side, not this side. So it is this one. So it comes in and then it joins here. So I have to remove it here, then slide it all the way out there. I thought because on the M.O.T certificate they said on the near side wheel. That's not the near side wheel, is it? It's for the far side wheel. As you can see, they are all corroded. Look. Why do they make brake fluid pipes? Brakes, safety first, brakes, so that they rust. Why don't they use stainless steel so that they don't rust? Huh? It's crazy. This is very dangerous. This car doesn't break at all, you know. So I'm gonna remove the connector here, and then the brackets. There's one bracket here. I think that will be it. I think there's just one bracket. Because as you can see when I'm seeing it's shaking there. So it's this one. All right. Now as you can see, it's here. I've unbolted the bracket as well that holds it, but it wouldn't come out because of these two pipes here. So I have to remove these two pipes, or just remove this part here and then lower them, then hopefully it will slide that way. But in the meantime, it struggles to slide out because of those two pipes here. There's also a bracket here that holds the tank to the body this. So I hope I won't need to no, this you cannot even remove anyway. So I'm gonna remove this clamp here and then this one. Hopefully these pipes will get down this way and then this pipe will slide out. So here it is. I've taken it out and it is leaking right here. This is the weak point. As you can see, the rust has consumed it. So when you brake, it leaks here. Okay, so we're gonna try to get a new one and put it in there. All right, it's a very long pipe, as you can see, very long. And only two brackets that holds it here, and then the rest are just clips. Okay. All right. I have the pipe here. As you can see, a very long pipe. I put it in here. It's my wife's car. I took this to Hyundai, asking them for the new pipe. They don't do them anymore. So I went to other garages as well. Car breakers, Facebook Market. We looked everywhere. We couldn't find it. So the plan is we're gonna have to make our own pipe. So I bought this. This pipe is the same width. And then I bought this tool here. This is called a flaring tool. So it is going to make this pipe, the ends to be something like this, because as you can see, this is how you connect it to the calipers. Okay, so it's been a pain. I phoned so many companies, went to so many garages. You know, the last hope was Hyundai. We thought they will have it. What a disappointment. You know, what a disappointment. So if you have these old cars, as you can see here, it was starting to rust as well. If you have these old cars, it's very hard to find some of the parts, because this car is a 2007 car, so it's an old car. So this is how it is. We're going to be making our own pipe, okay? All right, as you can see here, guys, I've put the pipe all the way underneath the car to where it's supposed to connect. There's a joint before it gets to the caliper, so I've connected it, and I've measured it all the way to where it's supposed to connect to the front as well. So now, because I know that the length of the pipe is right, now I'm going to use this tool here. It is called a flaring tool, because if you can look at these pipes, look how they are. So you need to create something similar to this over here. So this is the tool that you use. You put this in here like so. All right, and then you use this one to clamp, and then this one you push this, and then it will turn this pipe head here into something like that. Okay, so before you start, what I think you should do here is you should use a file like this after cutting the pipe to try to straighten this part here so that it's level. When it goes in there, it's level. All right, so I'm going to be doing that, and I'll show you how it looks like. I don't have a tripod that could hold the camera while I'm doing this. Okay, right, as you can see, I've clamped it with this here. So all I have to do is take this cup here. As you can see, it has a curve inside. I don't know if this thing is focusing. Come on, focus. If you look inside, it has a kind of nice curving surface. So you put it in here like this, and then this one goes like that here, and then you, as you can see, this is how it goes. Okay, all right, right, this is how you'll be compressing it. See, you just do it once very hard. You keep on turning until this disc touches this here. You take it off, you clean it, and then it goes in there. So there it is, done. It's going in there. Right, there it is. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Looks good to me. Focus, focus, there you go. So we'll see. If it leaks, I'll tell you. So I'm putting it back in. Alright folks, there it is. The pipe is in. As you can see there, it's connected, no leaks. Okay, and all the way there, tucked in. Just need a cable tie to hold this one, and it's going all the way in there, and there are no leaks. Alright, so it's done. I'm gonna give it to the lady, and then that's it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. There's another lady bringing a cash guy to fix the clutch. It needs clutch replacement. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.